Here's a waterfall that I put together, and I can dismantle it and bring it to your home and put it in your yard. Take a look. Quite lovely. I'm going to add some plants to it and then show you what I've got there. And in the backdrop is a waterfall I put together and some landscaping to display these pieces. So I'm hoping we can figure out how to get these to your house so you can enjoy them as much as I enjoy building. Beautiful, huh? I sure like it. Wait until you see it with the plants in it. It just, boom, brings it to life.